I've got what I think is the right amount hanging outside the tower. I won't know, but anyway, it's enough to give you a demo on how this thing tilts over. So, new remote control. This one you've just got it off and on, so all good. Let's do this. So, down the bottom here from the winch, it's feeding out. I've taken the bolts out of the bottom. It's pivoting from the pivot up here. Oh, I've got to push this button so hard. Best thing is I don't have to be anywhere near this antenna while it's tilting, so that's one plus. So it's just feeding out. New one for young players. If you want to reduce the strain on your guy rope, double it up like this and it reduces the tension by about 2.1. So it just makes it a whole lot easier on your winch and a whole lot easier tilting. There's the cradle that the antenna is sitting in, and that cradle bolts to those bolts in the ground. So everything seems to be going along alright. We're getting some sort of angle happening out of it. I don't really want to walk under it. I'm not that brave today. I know I made it, but it's always better to be a live chicken than a dead hero. Coming up here, extending out. Sun's a bit of a cracker. I'll jump on the other side. There's Mighty Mouse. What a great tractor that is. I do everything with that thing. Here we go. Feeding out. So there we go. The counterweight has hit its maximum, I think. Oh no, it helps you push the right. Yeah, counterweight's hit the maximum. I'm going to have to put a rope onto that and pull it down. It's obviously going to be heavier with the antenna and the rotator. So there you go. It's all experimentation. I will put a rope on here and pull it down as I'm letting it out, and we'll be all good. Let's pull this back into position again, and I'll get up there and tie a rope to the end here and pull it down. There you go. So that's how the antenna tower tilts that direction. Just chuffs along. I do like the counterweights. It does take a lot of strain off it. Pretty well the antenna tower is balanced at that midway point. So as you can see, it's a little bit back heavy at the moment, which is good. By the time I dress it with the rotator, the pole, and a 60-70 kilogram antenna, she'll be nicely weighted. So no grief. There we go. After this one, I'll let the winch cool down for a short time. They do get a little bit warm, and they've only got a duty cycle of about 45 seconds, so goodness me, I've got to keep pushing this button. It's so hard to push. I do have a secondary button hooked up underneath there, but doing these sort of things I like to be well away. So here we go, we're coming back down into position now. A little bit of a hiccup. There we go. There we go. All parked up. Then it's a matter of just easing it around and putting the bolts in. So, all good. Back next time.